these warm temperatures have triggered risks for ice jams around Northeast Ohio, and as ice melts, it clogs the rivers. So there's still a good concern for ice jams, particularly in the Grand River and the Chagrin River. The ice breaks up due to that melting, and then it just gets stuck in the currents there. Residents who out that way say this is just something they're used to.
A lot of the residents around here are really prepared, and they understand. They understand the dangers of living along the river. But there's no concern. This is totally natural. This happens a lot. There's nothing concerning about this at all.
Officials do remind residents living on the river there to prepare for potential flooding and have a bag packed with important documents, medications, and other items if you do have to leave quickly.